In front of me is LG K62, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select System, and here click on Language and Keyboard. And here at the top of the list you've got Language, so smoothly click on it, tap on Add a Language, and smoothly select the one that you would like to apply. So let me choose, for example, Italian. And now, to make it a default language of yours, smoothly slide it up to the first place, just like this. And as you can see, it has been already applied and the whole device is in Italian now. Here you can notice it. Then whenever you would like to change it again, just pick language and remove unnecessary language by tapping on bin, mark the language that you would like to delete, confirm that you want to do it, and obviously you can add another language again, the same way. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.